Hey, what's up, Ryan? Corey here. Elena told me to send out this video for you. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips. These tips are just going to help you get on that first page of Google and help you bring in those leads that's actually coming in online. And you can actually do these tips for yourself, or if you want to come back, I can actually structure all this for you as well if it might be a little bit too complex. But anyway, the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Everything that you see, Google sees as well. And even these images, this all has content in it. You got flower bed design, service west. You can actually be a little bit more specific with those keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings. And if you look at most of the websites that are on that first page of Google and actually bringing a decent amount of leads in, their content structures, especially on that first page, is right around 2,000 words. That way you can actually layer in those keywords, and those keywords are what people are actually searching for, which makes your website be found. Kind of give you an idea here, if I go inside of Google, type in landscaping Salt Lake City, you got this map section here at the top. This is also referred as a GMB or Google My Business listing. And to get to the very top where all that traffic actually lands really comes down to having these things called citations. Citations are just online directories. So what we'd want to have your business name, address, phone number listed on it. These things are like Facebook, LinkedIn, City Star, the Local Best, Yelp, the BBB. There's tons of them out there. So after you get your top competitors' citations, we want to go out and outrank them as well. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that your top competitors have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you did in this listing. Underneath this GMB, we have where all that organic traffic lands, and I'll actually go over the volume here in just a minute, and it's kind of quite surprising how much people are actually searching for your service in the area. But anyway, for your website to be found right here, it really comes down to having all that content in place, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to these backlinks. Backlinks are just links from other websites linking right back to yours, pushing your power so you can get on that first page of Google. Kind of giving you an idea here. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool. It lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 196 referring domains, which is pushing back over 700 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 2,000. Seems like they kind of fall off faster. You can get them on sometimes. This is the last 3 months of your site. So out of 1,000 keywords you're actually being found for, you got 182 searches coming in from all this. So here's your keywords. This is what you're actually being ranked for and how people are actually searching for you. You got your name there at the top. Roblox bypassed, audios 2016, Aeroscape landscaping, landscaping ideas, Utah. You got a few searches on that. The shops at Fort Union, flowering shrubs, Utah, WTF confessions. This is how you're actually being found for your website. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is TerraWorks. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs. I'm going to do a quick overview. So 77 referring domains, 673 backlinks they're actually being powered from. 211 keywords they're actually being found for, which is pushing back 144 clicks to their website. You can actually see where those clicks are coming from. So like here's their name, of course. You got Utah Landscaping Companies, 300 searches a month, 6th position. They only have 17 searches from that 6th position. They could definitely bring that up a little bit, but we can definitely also get a little bit more specific with those keywords like landscaping Salt Lake City, Utah. Out of 100 searches, 3rd position, they got 12 searches coming from the 100. So 12%, it's still not a bad ROI, especially with that 3rd position. And if you do a little bit more backlinking, get a little bit higher, maybe add more content, outrank them for that keyword, and gosh, you could be about 20% with 2nd position. Anyway, coming in, finding more of these keywords like Salt Lake City landscaping. You know, there's 50, 40 searches, and just whatever those keywords that you actually want to start ranking and bringing in that traffic for. Just making sure you're found for it, but also those backlinks is really what's going to drive you to get on that first page to start bringing in that traffic coming in from those keywords. Anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help get to where you want to go, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Take care. Bye.